Someone just Googled your name or your brand, and the first thing they saw was a negative article, a bad review, or a legal notice. Most people panic and try to delete it, which almost never works. Today I'm showing you the 3-step suppression framework to bury that result where no one will ever find it. Google does not rank the truth, it ranks authority. If a negative news site is outranking your website, it is because Google views that site as more relevant. To fix this, you have to stop clicking the negative link because every click tells Google it is important. Instead, we need to create authority buffers. Step 1, audit your owned assets like LinkedIn, Twitter, and your company about page, and optimize them for your brand name. Step 2, use a 7-step process we call Protect the Queen to build high-authority PR placements that push the negative content to page 2. Step 3, run an AI audit because in 2026, it is not just Google you must worry about, but ChatGPT and Perplexity too. Reputation management is not a one-time fix. It is risk management. I have linked our full SEO Reputation Management guide in the description with a confidential review checklist so you can see exactly what Google says about you before your next client does. Click the link and let us help you take control of your narrative.